What do you mean cursed? Cursed extraction fees are 4x standard price. 2 locations? After Earth Arcade. I don't really know about the details. Something about a warlock, and they cursed the thing, and then they switched dimensions, so they lost the key, but then they bound their soul to the motorcycle. So I don't really know. I just know that we're getting paid a grip of cash to pick up a bike, so that sounds good. The only kind of weird thing is the key's up there. That's what the GPS says. So the rock formation here is like centuries old, you know? It like links the worlds and the planes together or something. I'm not really sure. I'm new to all this supernatural stuff. Apparently from here we should be able to see the bike, but I'm not exactly sure where the key is. I'm not sure. I feel like I've looked everywhere. All right. What the hell is it? Our client said it should be east of where we are, which is this direction. So somewhere over here. Not actually, what is that? Let's fly the drone over there. Demonic motorcycle, huh? Okay, so it looks like we've located the motorcycle. Now we just have to retrieve it. Look at the cows. Moo. So it looks like it's not going to be that hard to get. Okay, we're forked here. Always go left, right? I should have brought some water. I feel like it's been like an hour and a half. It just seems like the road keeps stretching. Oh, there it is. Something this slow demonic. Come on now. It's just an old Yamaha. It's even beat up. Well, let's see. Should be the key. That's the dream, huh? What dream? Ooh. Sound like you want to start. But luckily for us, we brought a jump starter. This was delivered to us from the future. Okay, demon bike. Hopefully you actually work. Oh, yep. Huh. Sounds like a normal bike. What's so demonic about you? Your danger wrapped in a sweet. Okay, yeah. How long do I have to hold it for? What if I don't want to keep it?